Yo guys, it's usikose from #Yangu. Today we'll be reviewing the HP. No, I'm just kidding. This is more PC. So today guys we'll be reviewing the Bluetooth by JBL by Harman. Oh, do you remember the Harman Kardon speaker? Put it up there for you guys to watch it. Harman Kardon speaker. But today we'll be reviewing the JBL T110 BT Bluetooth earphones. Okay. The other Bluetooth speakers, the Blue Deer ones, guys, I'm very sorry. Shit happened. They are broken. I said we are reviewing the Bluetooth earphones, but well, luckily I was able to find these Beats from JBL. So this is the unboxing and review of the JBL T110. If it's first time on the channel, please don't forget to subscribe, and if you like the video, press the thumbs up. If you'd like to know more about anything, please comment down below. Not anything about technology. So this is the review on the Blue Deer T Energy Blue Deer. I miss those babies. This is the review of the JBL by Harman T110 BT. Well, the JBL are not expensive. Okay, in India, in Amazon they cost about $40. Okay, that's expensive. They come in this box, as you can see. For me, the orange inside and the black thing inside the package is quite appealing. Inside the box you find the in-ear earphones, the ear tips, and the 3 different sizes of ear tips. But well, for me, obviously I'll be using the middle size. A bonus, the tips themselves, for me, I like them very much. They come in those are black. The tips themselves are black, but have an orange inner part. For me, this is an amazing touch. Plus, in the box is an orange micro USB to USB-A cable. And yes, I know I'm not a fan of this thing, the micro USB. What can I say? A note on that about the earphones. If I don't know if I'm wrong or not, but as how I've used it, this USB, the normal USB, this seems to be a reversible one. You can connect it in any direction. But truthfully, I'm not gonna be using it. I'm so scared of breaking it. But I love the orange. And inside the box, more than that, there are the manuals and the warranty cards, and the manuals and the warranty cards. Okay, the headphones themselves. Oh, this is a bit hectic. Okay, the headphones themselves have 2 different wires, one between the nodes. I don't know if these are called nodes or whatever the case, but one I know has a battery, and another one has a few drivers, connectors, charger, the Bluetooth connector, and things like those. And there is this one wire which is part in between here, and the other one which is thin a bit. But overall, the wires have quite a small premium feel to them. You can say they are cheap, so it's good. And I'll give that part a thumbs up. The in-ear buds themselves, they are a bit weightless. They're quite weightless. Not that heavy, yeah, than the way I expected them, but in a good way, if you know what I mean. They have magnets on their sides instead of the normal system whereby you have magnets behind, so they can be connected together around the neck facing outwards when not in use. But the funny thing is, they face inwards when they are connected by the magnet to each other. I don't know why. Unless you wear the earbud of the right to your left and the left to your right. But what can I say? The earphones themselves have not been written which is left and which is right, so you never know. The earphones themselves beef up 6 hours battery but and 2 hours charging time, and well, that's not very bad. So you want to go out and you're in a hurry, leaving the headset charging for 30 minutes will only give you only a small amount of charge. Then you charge for the 6 hours you need to use, they charge for 2 hours. That's very disappointing. Though they have very good stuff. Something like some sort of metal. But no worries. They have Bluetooth 4.0 connectivity and not that much large range of connectivity. In the box it's not written. I don't know why they not found the Bluetooth range. Yep, didn't know that in Bluetooth range. So usually I'm using both my earphones on the computer and on my phone, and I like to connect all of them, but I'll be switching from one to the other. So while I'm using one, I'll stop the music on the other and listen, for example, a tutorial on YouTube. Then I'm done, I'm taking a call on the other, I'm stopping the tutorial. That's how I go. But the third thing about these babies, you only connect it to one device at a time. Very, very sad. I'm very, very sad about that. A bonus to that, these earphones come with an amazing tune. When they are turning up, I love the tune. It's like, I love the turn up tune. They come with an amazing turn up tune. Yeah, and also the shutdown tune is also amazing. That's all I can say for these earphones for now. But if you can handle all those minor, big setups in these earphones, well, you can also have an enjoying tune when they power on and enjoying tune when they power off. That's the big thing about them. But if you can enjoy those setbacks and you enjoy the 3-hour battery, they are good for you. Okay, for a person like me, whereby bass is not big, they affect that. But if you can, those setbacks don't affect your life, don't affect what you like in the earphones, well, this is a good payment. This is a good bang for your buck. You have used your money wisely buying these things. So yeah, these are the blue deal. You've used your money well buying these things. Other than that, the biggest setback in these earphones do not have a high bass. The bass is quite low. I don't know what happened here, but really, Harman, I trusted you. JBL, I trusted you. Because when I was buying them, like the shop attendant tried to tell me like, no, buy these. There are these Bluetooth earphones like these ones by Skull Candy. I was like, tell me the bass is good and stuff like that, but no, I wanted to try a device from JBL. Then they are down. So I was disappointed there, but well, I'll be using these things for a few days and see more about them. But if you like the earphones, you can handle those setbacks, well, they are good for you. I hope you enjoy these earphones. These are the JBL by Harman T110 BT. Not very expensive. And if you like this video, press the thumbs up button. And if you want to get more details and more tech information, please press the subscribe button. And I'll be posting more stuff for you guys as time goes on. Hopefully, let's pray that I'll be posting twice per week and even more when the time allows. But okay, this is usikose from #Yangu. See you in another video. Till next time.